Imagine having a personal research assistant at your fingertips, capable of generating ideas, summarizing long documents, and even creating content on the fly. This is exactly what Google's NotebookLM AI research tool offers. And in this tutorial, we'll show you how to use it step by step. NotebookLM is a cutting-edge tool that utilizes the power of large language models to help you generate ideas, summarize content, and even create entire drafts. To get started, head over to the Google Cloud Console and sign in with your account. From there, navigate to the NotebookLM section and click on the Create Notebook button. Once you've created a new notebook, you'll be presented with a blank canvas where you can start typing. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of how to use NotebookLM, let's take a look at some of the key features that set it apart from other research tools. For instance, NotebookLM allows you to import documents from Google Drive, making it easy to work with existing content.